case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, Kenneth D. Oxborrow was involved in a high-stakes court case before the Washington Supreme Court, which came to be known as State v. Oxborrow. The case centered around allegations that Oxborrow had defrauded more than 500 investors through a pyramid scheme, swindling them out of a total of $58 million. Oxborrow, along with two others, had founded Wheatland Investment Company back in 1979. It promised its investors a hugely enticing 2% return per week on their investments. However, beneath the promise, Oxborrow was using new investors' money to pay off older ones, effectively running a pyramid scheme. Not satisfied with merely running the deceptive company, Oxborrow appropriated a hefty chunk of his investors' money to cater to his own luxury tastes, buying extravagance such as luxury cars, airplanes, and oceanside resort cabins. His swath of victims was wide, ensnaring the elderly, pensioners, and even the blind, leaving more than 500 of them losing everything they had invested. Despite a cease and desist order, Oxborrow continued his deceptive activities, attracting over 900 unsuspecting investors. He pleaded guilty to theft in the first degree and the willful violation of a cease and desist order related to the sale of securities. In the trial court, he was sentenced to a combined 15 years in prison, a 10-year sentence for first-degree theft, and a 5-year sentence for violation of a cease and desist order. The court believed that the magnitude and impact of Oxborrow's crimes were severe enough to justify an exceptional sentence. However, Oxborrow appealed the sentence. He asserted that it was clearly excessive, arguing that the court had overstepped its authority in imposing consecutive sentences and had utilized impermissible evidence. In an opinion penned by Judge Durham, the court dismissed the appeal, upholding Oxborrow's 15-year prison term. The court applied the abuse of discretion standard. Judge Durham argued that Oxborrow's pyramid scheme was a major economic offense, highlighting his violation of trust and fiduciary responsibility. The court maintained that the complexities and audacity of his sophisticated pyramid scheme justified the initial sentencing. Notably, the court rejected Oxborrow's argument about the impermissible evidence and referenced the significant number of defrauded investors, more than 500 in total. In this high-profile case, Oxborrow's audacious pyramid scheme and subsequent prison sentence serve as a sobering reminder of the severity of financial crimes and their widespread impact. His appeal denial set a precedent, highlighting the court's discretion in sentencing and the importance of trust in financial transactions.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.